Hello, everybody at Grange. I'll give you a CC salute, confidence and consideration. That's what we want for each of us because we want to become our very, very, very best. We're still a little bit sad this week because we're remembering the Queen. But the thing about the Queen is that she lived a very long life and she lived a good life. And it's an amazing thing. But after somebody has lived their whole life and even passed on, we're able to look back and really see all the positive and good things from which we can learn. And one of the things about the Queen was that she was very good at always staying calm. Sometimes you see those posters, keep calm and carry on. Well, the Queen was really like that. She was always calm, and because of that, she was able to carry on. Being calm is something that really helps us with another character strength. Because being physically strong, that's nice, that's good. It's good to be healthy. But the real strength is when you have strength of character, when you do the right thing inside yourself and you're the very best that you can be. And we have learned a lot about different types of character strengths. And one of the character strengths that is really important is judgment. Now, you know what a judge is. Sometimes when you think of the word judge, you can think of a person, maybe he's got a big wig on, he sits at a big desk and he's there and somebody comes in front of the judge and the judge has to make a decision, who's right, who's wrong, what's going to happen over here. A judge has to make a judgment, what is going to happen, and decide. And that's a judge in a court, maybe making a decision about who owes who money. But all of us inside ourselves, we have to make judgments all the time. We have to think about what's the right thing to do. We have to make choices. And it's not always easy to make choices. When I was little, I used to watch a program called Sesame Street. And Sesame Street, I think you might know the Muppets. But anyway, there was a character on Sesame Street called Cookie Monster. And all Cookie Monster wanted to do was eat cookies. And Cookie Monster, all he used to say is, me want cookie, me want cookie, me want cookie. If you ever get a chance to see on YouTube, maybe Cookie Monster, you'll see what I mean. And Cookie Monster's friends, what they were always trying to help Cookie Monster to understand is, it's not a good thing to always be eating cookies, because if you're always going to be eating cookies, it's bad for your teeth, it's bad for your health, put on too much weight. It's not a good, healthy, balanced diet. So, the thing that we need to do is we need to grow our power of judgment. And that means when you've got a choice, should I listen to the teacher? Should I do star sitting? Should I do CC walking? Should I try my best at my work over here? Should I do my homework? Make good choices. That's using your powers of judgment. And those are things that make you feel good about yourself and make you grow your future, make you do really, really, really well. So be great, be Grange. Use your judgment. And teachers and educators, when you see any child doing amazing judgment character strength this week, making good choices, then go to class charts, click on awards, click on the character strength folder, find judgment, and give them judgment class charts points. Because if they're making good choices, they're building their futures, they're making themselves great, and they're making our school great. Be great, be Grange. CC salute. Have a brilliant week of learning and progress. Proud of all of you.